Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your microphone hardware works by recording audio with a voice recorder app. If the recorder fails, test a wired headset microphone to isolate the problem. Next, open the Google app and check that online search and assistant toggles are enabled in settings. Verify app-level microphone permission is granted under Settings Apps Google Permissions. Also verify your device runs Android 8 or iOS 12 or newer for modern voice features. Grant microphone permission under Settings Apps Google Permissions so the app can record audio. Next, open Google App Settings, turn on Hey Google and train Voice Match again for your voice. If voice search remains disabled, update the Google app from the Play Store or App Store and clear app cache and data. Also check Chrome site settings for microphone access on desktops and laptops. Finally, disconnect Bluetooth headsets temporarily to rule out audio routing problems. Reboot into safe mode to check for third-party app interference before reinstalling any apps. Test the microphone with a separate recorder and use a wired microphone if needed to confirm hardware function. If permissions and settings are correct, but issues persist, uninstall updates for the Google app and reinstall from the official store. Back up your important data, and, as a last resort, perform a factory reset to restore defaults and resolve persistent software corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.